Welcome back, students. In this video, we will see one repeated pattern of problem. Basically, when we solve the board problems or sample problems, I'm trying to solve a particular pattern which will have a solution approach, and you get to know the solution approach. But my request would be try the solution approach in more number of problems, which you can do it when you have a question bank. So pull out your question bank, and wherever you see this problem patterns coming up, try the solutions yourself. That will help you to remember what you learned better. So we have completed trigonometric ratios. Presently, we are solving board problems for trigonometric ratios. And this problem, what I'm going to discuss now, is quite a repeat pattern. Kindly familiarize yourself well. So they'll give you a equation like 5 tan theta is equal to 4. And the trigonometric equation, you can see 5 sin theta minus 4 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. And there are 4 options, which is the right answer you need to find out. So there are two methods to solve this problem. One method is you can use this tan theta by 4, get the value of tan theta is equal to 4 by 5, which is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. With the value of opposite side and adjacent side, you can get the value of hypotenuse. And from that hypotenuse, now you have all three values, opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. You can get the value of sin theta, cos theta, substitute and solve it. That is one way. But the drawback is the calculation is a bit tough. It's not impossible, it's a bit tough. You get the hypot value in this case as root of 4 square plus 25. 4 square plus 5 square is equal to 16 plus 25 is equal to root of 41. So the value of sin theta becomes 4 by 41 and value of cos theta becomes 5 by root 41. When you substitute, the calculation is slightly, I'll not say difficult or impossible, slightly complex. The idea is to get the right answer by the most simplest and the lesser number of steps, because the lesser number of steps, the lesser mistakes you make. When you try to do something more complex, there are high possibility you make some mistakes. So we will try this method. So you have to convert this entire equation. See, it's a problem of sin theta and cos theta. You are going to convert this into a tan theta problem because you have the value of tan theta. You want to convert this to a tan theta problem. So how do you do it is you divide the entire equation by cos theta. That is 5 sin theta divided by cos theta minus 4 cos theta by cos theta. Here every numerator and denominator, every term you divide by cos theta. When you do so, this equation gets simplified to tan theta, which then becomes easier to solve. So we'll see this approach. So I'm dividing every equation by cos theta. Okay. When I do like that, both numerator and denominator, 5 sin theta minus 4 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 4 cos theta becomes 5 tan theta minus 1 because cos gets divided and becomes minus 4. Similarly, this 5 sin theta becomes tan theta and this cos gets cancelled and you have only 4. Now you have straightforward. All you need to do is substitute this value directly here, because one of the students was trying to make this as tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Then again that 4 by 5 was substituted here. No need. You see both 5 tan theta is tallying. Just to go ahead, substitute that 4 and finally the answer is 0, which was one of the options. Answer B, option B is the right answer. So this is a quite repeated pattern. Now we have another problem here. 5 tan beta is equal to 4. Then for the trigonometric equation, these were the 4 options. This also I will solve. You need to divide both the equations by cos beta. Okay. Then the given equation becomes 5 tan beta minus 2 by 5 tan beta plus 2. You have 5 tan beta is equal to 4. Straight away you can substitute that 4 here actually. Instead of again dividing tan beta is equal to 4 by 5, you substitute this 5 tan beta as a whole here, 4. And the answer is 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. You need to simplify. You cannot divide as 2 by 6. You need to simplify to 1 by 3. This the same problem appeared once more I saw. You can try it yourself. Here in this case, the answer will be 0 only, because when you divide by cos, this becomes 4 tan beta. This becomes minus 3. the value of 4 tan beta is equal to 3. So this 3, when it goes here, 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So this is the option, but you can try it yourself once, step by step. Now this is again a board problem. You can see 4 tan theta is equal to 3. Evaluate 4 sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by 4 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now this problem has a twist. Usually there was no 1. I mean, this minus 1 plus 1 was not there in the earlier patterns. So now if I still use the same method of dividing everything by cos, when I divide here by cos, 1 by cos becomes secant theta. And I don't have the value of secant theta. I need to find out the value of adjacent side again, adjacent, opposite, whatever. Then only you'll be able to solve this problem. So instead of using the usual method, the only way is use 4 tan theta is equal to 3, find the opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse, and again use them in the value of the sin theta, cos theta to solve it. So that we are going to do. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, which is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by adjacent side. Excuse me. So hypotenuse is equal to the square of opposite side plus square of adjacent side, which is nothing but 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to root of 25 is equal to 5. Now you have all the three values. You can solve any of the trigonometric ratios, be it sine or cos or cot or tan, anything. So sine theta value is sine 3 by 5, okay, and similarly cos theta value is 4 by 5. You can substitute these values and the answer comes to 13 by 11. And this is just the calculation part in case you find any difficulty in arriving at the answer. This is the numerator, this is the denominator, and finally the answer is 13 by 11. So basically we need to identify the problem patterns. See, same pattern can be slightly twisted. I'll tell you how. Instead of tan, you could be given cot. What you'll be doing is, only thing you'll be doing just the reverse. You'll be converting this equation to a cot based equation by divided by sine beta instead of cos. When you divide by sine beta, this becomes 5, this becomes cot. So then you can repeat the same way, substitute the value of cot and you can get it. So basically you need to look for pattern. This is one pattern which has been quite frequently repeated. So please practice this well and hope to catch you in the next video with more such patterns around trigonometric ratios. Bye till then. Thank you.